Phew! As I survived the velociraptors from the last episode. And honestly, for one sole reason. Because
The Carnotaurus.
showed up and tore them apart. That's why I decided to talk about.
The Carnotaurus.
Oh, wait, I forgot to introduce myself. I am Devansh, host of Dinosaur Deets, the podcast where we explore different dinosaurs. And today we're talking about one of the most powerful dinosaurs.
The Carnotaurus.
I am standing right now because the velociraptors from last episode tore my chair down, and they also tore my entire stage down, including the lights.
The Carnotaurus.
Was much like the T-Rex, eating anything in its path and choosing brawn over brains. But unlike the Tyrannosaurus Rex,
The Carnotaurus.
his face was squished and its eyes were pushed into its eye sockets. That's what made it look more terrifying. And here's something weird and unusual.
The Carnotaurus.
Had two tiny horns on its head that scientists are still figuring out the use for. Also, its arms teeny tiny. In the before episodes, I talked about how small the Tyrannosaurus Rex's arm was. But imagine,
The Carnotaurus.
his arm was half the size of a Tyrannosaurus's arm. So yeah, not very useful. But don't be fooled. This giant creature could weigh up to 2,000 kilos and more. And it also was 7 to 9 meters long. Just a small side fact, it was discovered in 1984. It lived mostly in Argentina and other South American countries. And it pretty much terrified anything that walked past it. Makes sense since it looked terrifying. Its name means meat-eating bull. So I'm really scared. Even though
The Carnotaurus.
it was big and bulky, it could run up to 56 kilometers per hour. That's as fast as an American antelope. That gives me the spooks. But as you might all know from the earlier episodes, all dinosaurs have at least two major weaknesses. And
The Carnotaurus.
did have two. The first one was that its arms were tiny, stiff, and could not move. So basically, to sum it up, useless. So it had to carry extra weight for nothing. Its second weakness was its jaw bite. You might think that a creature like the T-Rex must have a strong jaw bite. But it was actually really weak. And if you ever fight a
Carnotaurus.
watch out for its feet. They can crush you. But also, I have valuable advice from a dinosaur expert. Don't fight one. So, the next time you run into a
Carnotaurus.
just note that they are friendly. Or are they? In the next episode, we are going to talk about the smallest dinosaur. This is Devansh signing off from Dinosaur D. See you in the next episode. If the
Carnotaurus.
doesn't eat me first.